Good morning. So I wanted to bring you all with me this morning. I dropped these seeds. This is some broccoli. I dropped some onion and just a couple of those seeds and some more leeks right here. Now, of course, they are not going to live here. They are just going to germinate here. And then I'm going to move them to other parts of the garden. But it's about close to noon, and we're about to get some rain. So I'm going to just let the rain do its thing this morning. I hope you all have been having a great day. But let me share this yellow heart joy with y'all. But before I share my yellow heart joy, I wanted to share this is some lettuce I dropped here, and I dropped some there. And yeah, we've been eating off of this one, but I'm waiting for this one to get some hype to it. Come on up, baby. Come on up. But yeah, that's my lettuce, and it's really good. And now, what variety of lettuce, I don't know, but it's lettuce, all of it. And I'm thinking this red is the Marlowe, the free Baker Creek seed that many of us get. But I got them. Yeah. So that is a yellow heart joy right there. And she's in the middle of this bed, and that is kohlrabi that's around her. That's who that is. That's kohlrabi. Yeah. But that's the yellow heart joy. I have about 6 or 7 yellow heart joys growing. There's another one right over there. Yeah, but they're doing really good. And as I said, I'm waiting for the rain because the rain is on the way. And I'm all right with that. I'm all right with that. So this is one of my super juice containers. As you can see, I harvest those greens. Yeah, there's some moringa stems and some leaves that's in here, but I'm gonna wait for the rain and let the rain fill up this bucket, and we're gonna have super juice to feed this garden. Yeah, that's what that is, y'all. This is more seeds I dropped. As you can see here, we have germination here. And this is some onions. So if you can see them in there, they are coming up. It's leeks. If anything, they're leeks, right? And we have more here. And this is just a Dollar Tree bucket. That's all it is. Yeah, and of course I have some cups right there, and they're filled. Yeah, and of course, little mama's over there. I'll be getting her real soon. That's her, and there's a smaller one too. So I will be eating her probably in a couple of days because she's big enough. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy your stay here with me, okay? Let's go. Let's go. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 It's early in the morning, y'all. Let's get on with the video. So today I'm gonna harvest some of my greens. Yeah, y'all, I want it. I want some greens, so I'm gonna get me some of these greens here today. Yeah. Oh yeah, they are beautiful. These are collards. So what I'm gonna harvest today is collards and mustards. And I'm gonna cook them together. Oh yeah, baby, I'm gonna cook them together. I'm gonna also harvest some green onions. 1 second, fam. Here, and get some of this, mama. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you for the meal that you are about to provide for me. I thank you. Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah. Wait a minute. Let me get I'm gonna get this one. And this one. Yeah. All right. Let me put this in a basket. So this is a mustard and kohlrabi. Yeah, let's see if we can get in there. Get this. Oh. Ooh, she's beautiful. Hey, my niece, Cheryl. I got a church fan. Hey, my baby. How y'all doing over there in Texas? In Houston? Yeah. So I'm going to get the biggest leaves on here, of course. And we all know, right? You take these leaves off, and she just keep on growing. Bug-free, baby. Bug-free. Oh, come on, girl. Mm-hmm. Oh, wait a minute. So I have some turkey necks cooking right now, getting nice and tender in the pot. I have seasoned everything really well in the pot. And I'm going to have that, and I'm going to have some cornbread, and I'm going to have some sweet potatoes. That's what I want to eat here today. I'm going to get, I'm going to let this kohlrabi keep her leaves for right now, girl. You're safe. Damn, y'all, I came over here. Look at this bee. This thing is humongous. Come on, little mama. You gotta move. It's a carpenter bee. He is really big. Yeah, he big, but buddy, you got to move, man. I need these greens. I really do. Let me go inside and get some. I got to move him though, but I ain't gonna play with him. All right, this is my container of mustards. It's mustards, baby. So let me get these. Okay, I'm gonna get some of these green onions for my meal today. It's just some I've been having over here for a very long time. Of course, I have many green onions and leeks all over the garden, but we're gonna get these today. Thank you. So this is my harvest for my meal today. Listen, wait 1 second. Let me let this plane go by. So this is my harvest of greens today. Yeah. And listen, a friend of mine stopped by. She said, "Oh, Linda, you harvesting your greens now. Your garden, you could tell you harvest your green. Your garden don't look so full and beautiful." Girl, please. So listen, family. Yes. Yeah, when you make a harvest, your plants have to recover and then begin to grow again, right? But family, listen, that is not the object of this thing, right? This is not my goal for my garden to look beautiful from the beginning to the end of any garden season, right? The object to my garden is to do this. I want to harvest, baby. We going in the kitchen. That's right. That's right. So, my nephew Chris from Back to Our Roots Homestead sent me these seeds, and they are Ethiopian kale. That's what it is. And I've never grown them before. So, I asked him to send me a picture of his so I can make sure this is what I planted here. And he said yes, but what he told me to do is to taste a piece, taste a leaf to see if it have a little spice. So this is my e- Ethiopian. This is my Ethiopian kale, and I'm gonna taste it. Now, what I'm supposed to taste is a little spice. A little spice. Let's see what we got. I'm waiting. Okay. Oh, that's good. That's good. This is that. Yeah. I have a little, a little spice, not a lot, but yeah. Thank you, man. I get that. Wow. Well, man, I could eat this in a salad. It's so good. Mm-hmm. Well, that was good. Okay. So listen, someone asked me some questions about my plantain blossom. So what he asked me about the plantain blossom was, when should he take his blossom off the plant? He wanted to know when do you take the blossom off your plant, right? So I'm going to share just what I do. Now listen, I don't consult Google with things that I've been doing for years, and it has been successful for me, and I've gotten great harvests. I'm not going to consult Google. And no, if it's working for me, I'm not going to change the things that I'm doing, right? So I'm going to share what I do. All right, here we go. Okay, so I'm over here by my plantains. Now, let's see. Now, I'm going to tell you this. This is not what Google say, right? If you Google's if you and it tells you something different, but I'm just going to tell you what I do. This is just what I do. When I see this on my plantain blossom, you see that? That is male flowers. That is the rack. This is the male flowers right there. This blossom will not produce another rack. No. So this blossom can come off, and the plant will start to put more of its energy into that rack. But you see what you see there? That is male flowers. It means nothing. So you can take that blossom off. Now, when I see that in this long separating of from the blossom to the rack, that's when I know it's time for me to take my blossom off. Now, that is what I do. You hear me? That is what I do. So, like I say, if you Google and it says something different, That's what they do. That's what Gugu and the world do. But this is what I do. Okay? I hope it helps you. Yeah. So I have another one here. There she is right there. Let me show you her rack. There's her rack right there. Now, look at this separation between the rack and the blossom. You see that? And now all you see now is males, and it's not gonna make another rack. There they are, they up there. So if it's not gonna make another rack, get it off. She done. Here I have another rack over here. There she is right here. And there's her rack. Oh, where is it? Oh, that's it right there. And there's her blossom. It's time for it to come off also. Yeah, it's a small baby rack, but baby, a rack is a rack. Now, when you look at this, this is the smallest of racks I've ever seen. What was that? Damn. But I mean, this is a blossom. This is a blossom, a tiny blossom on a tiny plant. You see, that's her. Girl, you're too young. You're too young to be having babies. No, they are very, very fertile. But anyway, I hope that helps you. I really do. But that's just what I do.
Hello guys, this is Jada and I will be doing the voiceover for this portion of the video. So in this clip, we are showing you guys that we have matching house shoes. These are just like fluffy sneakers. They look like all types of different sneakers. You can get all different kinds. Or you can get stuffed animal themed. And they're really cute. They're nice. They're comfortable house slippers. And me and my Mimi, or as you guys know her, T-Nog, got matching slippers for our birthdays. She bought it for me for my birthday, but our birthdays are 8 days apart. So it's something for us both to have.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my baby. Happy birthday to you. Ba, 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 yeah. Happy birthday. Make a wish, Jada.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Doom.
Don't.